Let's go everywhere together. Turn to years into forever. We'll make diamonds under pressure and turn the pain into pleasure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa. And as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, I'm fit to show y'all how to do a thumbnail tutorial. If y'all is new content creators or you just don't have the tools and products, this is the best. Literally, this is the best, most easiest, most simplest tutorial you would ever need. The apps you would need is PixArt. All you would need is PixArt. And if you want your thumbnail to be more popish, I will also show y'all how to do that at the ending of the video after y'all do y'all thumbnail. Y'all, when I say all I use for my thumbnail is PixArt and my gallery and my editing and my contrast and all the other stuff. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification up. Turn that post notification bell on so y'all can see me every time I post. And also, I want to tell y'all, welcome. If y'all want to start YouTube and didn't know how to start YouTube, this is y'all sign. Start YouTube, make content, create content, make popping thumbnails, bomb thumbnails, but this is literally the most simplest tutorial for a thumbnail you would ever have. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to learning how to make thumbnails. Hey guys, as you can see, I have 4 photos, so I already did the placement. So basically, after you do your placement, you're gonna line them up. You can do 4 photos, 1 and crop and cut. It's really basically your choice. So I basically use these 4 pictures for examples. So now you're gonna go in with your title however you want. I actually thought this font was pretty cute. So since I was going with this font and going with these colors, I thought I would go with pink. And this font name is Sigmar1, Sigmar1. And I thought it was pretty cute. So after I did that, I did a nice little border outline with black for it can pop. So under that, I actually went in with my name. For copyright reasons, these pictures is not me. It did not come from me or any of that. So I went with this cute font. I'm not sure what it's called, but I think it's something like a cursive font. And I went in white with a pink outline because, of course, I thought that would be cute. So I went back in with a picture and I went to the little thing to crop it out and make a circle. So I also put a border outline on that and I made it pink, which is this thumbnail is basically all pink. So, because I always think pink is cute for girls, it is girly. So I went to my pictures or stickers and I typed in era. So when I typed in era, of course I went in with pink because I want everything to be cute, pink and flirty. So me being a self-care vlog, I went in with cute things like slay queen and such and such. And I found this cute little app sticker that say like, comment and subscribe. Oh, by the way, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on. So I moved my wording over and I placed that right there for it can basically fit into my picture. Because you really want all your items to fit perfectly and correctly on your thing. And you want your thumbnails to be catchy and stuff like that. So I also went in with this cute camcorder sticker picture filter, and I made it to where it can fit. It might cover up certain of the words, but that's okay. Once you get farther in with your editing skills, it will come out perfect. And like, as you can see, it's not too much, it's not cluttered, it's like literally perfect, like perfect for the beginning tutorial. And like right now, that's basically like the finished look with that part and when you editing. So after you finish doing all that, you can save it. You gonna save it to your phone, and if you want it to be enhanced and stuff like that in that nature, you will go into your gallery or whatnot to make your pictures darker. So when you do that, of course you will hit the edit button and stuff. As y'all can see, I'm still moving it around. You will hit your edit button, and I'm trying to see how I can explain it without, making it too pushy. So you will always change your brightness, your contrast, and your shipment. So when you do that, it really doesn't matter. It's always what to your liking. So if you like bright, dull, popping, it's really up to you how you would like it. So you will see the finished product on the end. I hope you guys enjoy.